Welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about installing MacPorts on macOS Mojave. If you aren't familiar with MacPorts, it's a package repository kind of like apt on Ubuntu or RPM on Red Hat. So the first thing we need to do to install MacPorts is to install Xcode. So you want to go to the App Store and go to search and type in Xcode and then click Get and then click Install. It'll ask you for your username. Then it will ask you for your password. If you have two-factor authentication filled out, you'll have to authenticate. Okay, now it's installing. I'll probably speed up the video in a couple different areas, including this one. Okay, that's finished installing, so we can close the App Store now. And now we'll want to open the terminal. So if we go into our Finder, we can go to Applications, and then go to Utilities, and then Terminal. So now you want to type Xcode -select space --install. And it says it requires the command line developer tools. Click Install, and then Agree. Okay, it's done. Now we want to type Xcode build and then type space -license. Hit enter. We'll have to type that again with sudo at the beginning. And we'll hit enter. We'll type in our password and then we'll hit enter to view the agreement. We'll space through this till I get to the end. Okay, now I'll type agree. Of course, you're going to want to read this. I probably already read it. And then that's finished. So we can close this. You can just type exit. And next you want to go to a web browser and open up the MacPorts website. So it's macports.org. Go to installing and we'll click on Mojave and it will download. We can open that up in the Finder and we can double click on it and install it. It'll ask for our password. Okay, that's finished, so I'll hit close here. I'll say move to trash. We can close all this and we'll open the terminal back up. We should be able to type sudo port self-update. And it'll ask for our password. And if this fails, then it's not installed, but this is working. I don't think there'll be any updates on this new version. Okay, and if you had any ports installed, ports are what they use for applications, you can run this line, port upgrade outdated. Of course, I don't have any installed yet, but I'll run this anyway. And it says nothing to upgrade. So that's how you install MacPorts on macOS Mojave. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.